Hey, what's up guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So recently I have traveled to Sri Lanka along with my wife this January 2025 and we have applied for our ETA, that is electronic travel authorization, that you need if you are traveling from India to Sri Lanka. Actually, you do not need a visa if you are traveling from India to Sri Lanka, because now Sri Lanka is visa free for Indians and you just need a ETA, that is electronic travel authorization. In this video, I am going to share each and every step that you need to take to get your ETA in just one day. So stick around till the end without skipping anything, because this video is going to be helpful to you if you're traveling to Sri Lanka. So before moving forward in this video, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and I have uploaded 3 high quality videos of Sri Lanka including Kandy, Ella and Mirissa. So do check out the links in the description box to watch the vlog and you will get a lot of information. So do check out. So let's jump to my computer screen where I'll be showing you how exactly you can apply for your ETA.
Go to Google and type ETA Sri Lanka and head to this website. I have linked this website in the description box. After that, click on it. Just read through it once and it says that you need a ETA if you are from India, Thailand, Malaysia and Japan. Just click on OK and change the language to English. Now click on apply and you will get this tab. Just go through it once. Click on I agree and you should see these 3 things. Select tourist ETA and start filling your information. So if you are from India, select India. And select the exact number of days that you are staying there. In the purpose of visa, you can select sightseeing or holidaying. You can fill the details as shown here. Fill your current address here. You can add your telephone number and mobile number as same. Include the country code +91 if you are from India. Include the email address exactly how you have, because the ETA will be delivered to your email address. Here you need to add the address of the hotel that you will be checking in Sri Lanka for the first time. Let's say you are going to Colombo, so enter the address of your Colombo hotel here. If you get a doubt like what needs to be filled in a particular field, then you can hover the mouse over this question mark icon and you will see what exactly has to be filled there. Once everything is filled, just recheck everything and click on next. After filling the details, if you have additional member, click on add member. Fill the details in the same way like you filled for yourself. Then click on add member and you should see the details here. Click on next. Just verify all the members are added properly and check your details once again and click on confirm. You have just applied for your ETA and there is no need of any payment. Just wait for some time and you should get your ETA delivered at your email that you have entered here. You can save this receipt by clicking on save as and save it as a PDF.
I hope you guys liked this video. Do give a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that it reaches more travelers like you. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe for more such informative travel videos. I'll see you in the next one.